just test this recently open source magnification technique called SUPIR. The address of this open source project is here. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. So the core idea here is to enlarge the image. There are a lot of things like this. It was recently open sourced, so I did some testing. This place actually still uses the Dorsey model. So I think in the future it should have an opportunity to be applied within ComfyUI, and here we also received a response. Why wait to apply it on ComfyUI? The reason is that it requires a large amount of GPU memory, which is the first reason why it's not recommended to deploy it locally outside of ComfyUI. The second reason is that deploying and running it locally requires massive performance support with extremely high memory requirements. Of course, localizing the deployment is also quite complicated, so it's worth keeping an eye on this. So now it can enlarge images, which is no surprise. Then, when we actually perform the comparison, our target should be CCSR. Once it is integrated into ComfyUI and allows adjusting more parameters, we will compare the two within ComfyUI. Navigate to the AI section of RunningHub, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1,200 points. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.